Happy DNA Day. Wow, Tim, this is quite a smorgasbord of DNA models that we have here. Could you take us on a tour?
Absolutely. So this little model here, this is called the DNA Starter Kit. It's a flexible foam model. It has both the complementary base pairs, an AT base pair with 2 hydrogen bonds. There's a GC base pair with 3. It has a flexible backbone, so you can untwist this model. You can easily see that the 2 phosphodiester bond, or the sugar phosphate bonds of this model, are running in opposite directions. So that's the anti-parallel nature of the 2 DNA strands. So it's a great model to use, say, at the middle school level to initially introduce your kids to the concept of complementary base pairs as a way to encode genetic information.
Could you also use that model to show replication?
Yes, if you were going to replicate this, you would want to untwist it, and then again you simply begin separating the complementary base pairs, generating 2 single-stranded sequences. Each one can be used as a template by a DNA polymerase to make the other strand.